Nothing in the family guy. Man, give me that child. I took his kid. I took his kid away. Oh god. Oh my god, they're after me. They're after me. Oh shit! Where the fuck did he come from? Go. Let me run. Let me run.
I was hungry so bad.
What? Oh my god! Get away from me, you sex slave! Whee! Help me! He's trying to molest me! Oh my god! Oh my god! Chat? I think I might be cooked. Oh my god! Holy, what the fuck? What the? I just got brutally molested. Man, fuck this kid. What the? What is the? Man, give me that tracker.
Yo. Dude, there's the Thiat monster. Green.
No, monkey.
Yo. Do y'all know where it is? It's.
Oh my god! It's not coming. It's not even coming. Go! Oh my god! It's not even coming.
It's not even cut.
It went on here.
I know this map by my
Go! Oh shit! The guy died! The guy died! Go back! Go back! Go back! Go back! Go back, Chad! Oh my god, go! Is he even coming? Oh my god, he went down there! He just... We gotta go get him! We gotta go get him! He went over here! He's gonna come through there! He's gonna come through there!
Yeah. He's gonna come through here.
He's not even coming! He's not coming! He went the other way! We gotta go get him!
Go get him! Let's go! I have to go get his butthole!
Okay. Get out!
The mountain runs so fast.
Yeah, no shit, Sherlock.
I'll leave it out, mods. I originally walked about 11.
Guys, we... Oh, fuck. I'm on the grind now. I need the Maxween. Alright, so like I was saying, on Friday, there was this girl during gym, and we had donuts and ice cream. And then while me and my friend were playing Batman, the girls kind of like surrounded me, kind of like this, and then they started asking these personal ass questions. And then the one that got me, I'm just getting a little bit anxious. He could just pop out of nowhere. So this one question that really got me is that if she said tits or ass, like me personally, like I would choose ass. And so that basically I started getting like nervous and shit, and like when I get like embarrassed, my face turns like real red. So like I could feel my face feel hot. And then like after like a little bit of silence of me not answering their questions, they kind of just left, or like they just started kind of like walk into another boy. And then like one of the girls said that I was cute, and then blew me a kiss. I just felt like I just had to say that shit, okay? Cause like that shit just like made me feel real uncomfortable. I didn't like it. Yeah. What the fuck? Oh no, it's not dropping. Alright, great.
See a big black snake go down there.
We just got brutally.
Oh my God, let's go, come on, let's go. He's the mother too, get on him.
But I wanna grab his big black kid.
Hey, Red, go get him, Go get him, Red. Go get him, Red, against down the mother too. Go get the monster. Get him, Red. Go get him, Red, chase down the monster. Oh, get him. Bro, get over here, bro. Get over here.
Where are you taking us? We're in a fucking circle.
Get over here. I got it.
Oh my God! I just hit it.
The monster.
Wait, go back. Oh, go faster! Go faster! Go faster! Oh God! Go, purple, go! Go! Oh my God, he's after us! He's after us! Holy shit! You're caught up at the wall. Hey! Wait, I'm wait here. Why did it go so quiet? Baby ball sack balls. You know what? I think I'm done.
Don't ever sound the moderator again, bro. Guys, go back in.
Go back to
Come
the
in
monster.
there. Come in there.